Tap, tap, tap in collective. This is God's Major Oracle. I'm Major Oracle. We'll be playing free, copyright free rain sounds in the background. I love going to sleep to rain sounds. You ever ran out in the rain when you was a kid? Well, today we're going to be using regular polka deck. Now, how we're going to be using this? Hearts, Ace of Hearts. A stands for answers. Stands for yes. Spades stands for no. Diamonds stands for maybe. And clubs stand for I don't know. So we always started out with the red heart for a yes. Then we go red, black, red, black. Upside down heart represents no. So there's a little chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm already shuffled. What I want you to do is ask a question. And whatever question you ask, I'm going to tell you what comes up. This will resonate with some, not all. All my videos are timeless. Please give this video a like. Subscribe if you're new. Tell a friend. Leave me a comment below. Share this video on all social media platforms. And hit that bell to be notified for when I upload. I upload daily. So go ahead, collective. Ask your question. The answer is yes. How we do it is we keep going until we match up the symbol. Go ahead, collective. Ask another question. And we keep going till we match up the symbols. You could play with several decks in a pile, so you can keep going with the questions. Because there's only about 52 cards in a regular poker deck. 52 or 56, something like that. The answer is no. You see how we matched it up? So go ahead, collective. Ask another question. The answer is maybe. You have to ask yes, no, maybe, I don't know kind of questions. Go ahead, collective. Ask another question. The answer is I don't know. See? So go ahead, collective. Ask another question. The answer is I don't know again. Take what resonates, leave the rest. So go ahead, collective. Ask another question. And just go ahead and keep asking questions so I can put cards down. The answer is no. So go ahead, collective, ask another question. And if you run out of cards, you could just sweep them all up and start again. Okay, finish with your question. Here we go. The answer is yes, collective. We have a few more cards, so go ahead, collective, ask another question. And the answer is, I don't know. Now we're all out of cards. Now I have a channeled message. As a kid, again, didn't you love running out into the rain? See, rituals and spells and all that recommended by a reader ain't cool, I personally think. Now, if you do want to cleanse yourself, you can always get a natural way of cleansing would be rainwater. You could gather it directly from the sky. I recommend you using a glass jar. Now, also, it helps in healing and with spiritual attacks. It can also help with beauty spells. So you could go ahead, wash your face for 7 days with rainwater. And it would also, let's say someone put a spell on you to have people look at you the wrong way. It would also help that mask that they put on you fall off. You can also manifest with rainwater. I suggest you collect your rainwater and also pray over it. I suggest also if you go out into the rain and you take your shoes off and you pray on that rain. This also helps with manifestations. This also helps with bad dreams. Or you can shower in it. You could put a little bit of the rainwater in your mop bucket. If it's directly from the sky, you know it's clean. You could take a sip of it for healing properties. Always pray on your rainwater as well. See, rainwater could be used to remove blockages. And rainwater is what? Water. It's an element. But what's great about rainwater is that it also carries all the elements in it. Water, fire, earth, and air. It takes all the elements to basically make rainwater. Now, some prayers I suggest is Psalms 35 or 68, 1-2, or Psalms 91 or Psalms 140 to help you pray over. Or you could do your Our Fathers, Hail Marys over your water. Now, what else? I'm just looking at my notes right now, collective. I suggest for let's say you're going through a spiritual attack, a curse, spells, whatever it may be. Pray over that water and ask God for glory of forgiveness, for glory of protection. Use that rainwater to cleanse. For, let's say, you feel like blockages, or you feel like someone's sending you something, or just for regular old protection. You can go ahead and gather some and spray it, put it in a spray bottle. You can use it to cleanse your space as well, your healing space, your prayer area. It comes straight from the heavens, you know what I'm saying? So what more could you want? Now I have some prayers here. Rain, rain, have your way, because either way, God will reign. Leviticus 26:4. Then I shall give you rain in their season, so that the land will yield its produce and trees of the fields the fields will bear their fruit. We also have 32. Let my teachings fall like rain and my words descend like the dew, like showers on a new grass, like abundant rain on a tender plant. Proverbs 16:15. When a king's face brightens, it means life. His favor is like rain clouds in the spring. Without rain, nothing grows. Learn to embrace the storms of your life. And at that moment, as I was getting these channel messages, I said, thank you, God. Thank you for the rain. And right when I got that, I got the message, how much of life do we miss by waiting to see the rainbow before you thank God for the rain? So you go through storms in life and you go through all kinds of stuff. Those rains and storms you go through, sometimes it helps you become a better person, a better you. Helps elevate you, helps understand things. So we got to thank God not only for the good times, but we got to thank Him for the bad times as well. Because even in the bad times, there's a lesson to be learned. So always thank God for the rain. Now, again, you could cleanse with rainwater. And you can use it to break any spells, incantations, anything like that. It's a natural form of cleansing. It comes from this God's green earth, But I want to thank you for watching. Give me that thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos like this. May your neighbors respect you, trouble neglect you, angels protect you, and heaven accept you. Now it's time to tap out, collective. And as always, peace be unto you.